Hey everyone, and welcome to my review of the Calm app. Check the description below for links. Calm is a top-rated mental health app designed to help you relax, meditate, and sleep better. Perfect for managing stress, anxiety, or simply finding some peace, Calm offers a comprehensive set of tools to support your mental well-being. It offers guided meditations, breathing exercises, and mindfulness practices, from short bursts to longer sessions. Need help sleeping? Calm includes sleep stories, soothing music, and nature sounds to help you wind down. One of Calm's best features is the Masterclass section, featuring experts on sleep, stress, and mental wellness. Whether you're a beginner or experienced meditator, Calm has content tailored to your level. It also offers programs for specific goals like focus, gratitude, and relaxation. Plus, the app is super easy to use. If you're looking to improve your mental health, reduce anxiety, sleep better, or just be more mindful, Calm is an effective and accessible tool. Its high-quality content makes it a great choice for anyone prioritizing their mental well-being. Want a calmer you? Give Calm a try.